camera is not doing justice to the room. It's really nice, but the lighting are dark. So we are here at Zingana Hotel in Bafoussam, close to the village. Here's the bed. Our things are there. My mom brought arrow. We have a lot of food. My auntie-in-law brought achu. So my husband's auntie brought achu, and then we have plates here. We have peanuts. Oh, that's the achu. The TV looks better than most places we went to. I'm going to try to turn on the light because it's very dark here.
If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to support me. Drop a purple heart in the comment section so I know you are watching. I will be giving you a quick room tour of the room we stay at. Then later on in the video, you will get a tour of the presidential suite. Enjoy the video.
I turned on the night light because the lighting is not the best. Oh, you have a closet here. Oh, look, you have a safe. We have not seen a safe here yet because we've been staying in the apartments. This is the second hotel we're staying at in Bafoussam, and this is also a closet. We're not staying here long because tomorrow we're going to continue to the village. This is standard bedroom and bathroom. That's a shower. At least these people, when you take a shower, it's actually going to go down. And they don't have the shower by the top. Someone can actually be pooping and take a shower. I don't know why the other people. In fact, when something is luxury, it's luxury. Seriously. Here we are in the bathroom. I don't get... Ooh. That's the outside from here. Let me close. You got it. Look at that. All put together. You have a glass to brush your teeth. You have some soap. And that's the brand Zingana Hotel. Gotta charge, my phone is dying. And this room comes with breakfast for one. If you want two people, well, we can add, but it's fine. I already opened the door, but there's a door here. I want to go fast before the mosquitoes start. We don't even have much mosquitoes in Bafoussam because it's cold. So there's a little balcony here. It's pretty loud. Very loud. That's the security guy. There are two of them. So we're just at level 2. So we're visiting the presidential suite in Zingana. It's beautiful. We are having, this is our tour guide. We're actually exiting today, but he's giving us a little tour of the presidential suite. It's so beautiful. We had a chance to look at it. Look at this wood. You have a balcony here, another there. You're gonna see it. This is the living room. Here's the kitchen. You have the kitchen here. You can have a party. He says that someone can have like an intimate wedding party here, and it goes well. My camera is not doing justice to this room. It's so beautiful. Look at that. The decor, the person who took their time to decorate this room, they did a good job. And then apparently at night, when you turn off these lights, all these lights, they change. You have your library right there. I'm guessing that's a little office because there's like a phone and water. You have your little intimate conversation space here. Another office area here. Look at that painting though. And then you have this living room here. Don't mind my shoes. I love the living room. But okay, let me show you the deck where we're coming next time. So this is 300. Vous avez dit 300 combien? Donc ça, 352, donc $700 about. Oui, $700, about $700. So this space is 352, 700, right? About 7, yeah. You just double the money in dollars. About $700 a night is well worth it. No. You take the money and you divide by 2 to have the Cameroonian money. Yeah. And here we have the bathroom. Ooh. So for the Bamileke tribe, this is their what they have here. This is your touch, the bamleke material that they call in dop. How many weeks are you gonna stay here? Money is good. If someone tells you money is not good, that's your problem. And of course, I am here. Ooh, look at that. It's huge. You have another balcony here from the bathroom. And you have that. They actually give you a dryer and shoes. Our bedroom was just a one bedroom. We did not have a hair dryer. The weird thing is that they don't give you an iron here. I noticed the same thing in France. In Europe, they don't give you an iron until you ask. But either way, this is it. They even give you a scale while you're here. You don't have to worry about weighing yourself because you're eating so good, you're losing weight. And then you have a standing shower right here. I'm actually rushing because I want to get out of here. And then you have the bathroom, the toilet seat. That looks like a chief chair made of cow horns.
Yeah.
So all this is made of cow
Yeah.
body stuff. So is this the leather too?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
All of these, they're just natural stuffs. There's nothing artificial there. It's
Comme la
just
chaise
the way
d'un
it's been
notable.
crafted, you see.
Where is that one from?
This one too is from
It just beats.
foundation.
Oh.
I was telling you earlier, because they do this paylash at the foundation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, the iron was being made by this one. And all of them are still alive. You see that fan we saw upstairs at the fourth floor?
Oh, that's him?
He's the one here.
Oh.
What does he do?
So yeah.
Yeah, he's now the person in charge of cleaning everywhere, the garden.
So it's like the maintenance leader.
Yeah. And this person also is one of the leaders that was doing the work.
Oh, nice.
Wow, and it's the only 4 people.
I like how they honor them.
And this man, everything that concerns plumbing, he is the one who was in charge of it.
How about lightning?
Yeah.
Electricity?
Light, I think is that side.
Oh, there's more here.
No, unfortunately, this picture was not here.
But who is this guy?
He is also to the one of the
Wood,
members.
this
that
make
do
wood,
wood, yeah.
woodwork.
Wow. And they're still employed by you guys.
Yeah, in fact, they are the people who works at the foundation because the foundation was being first opened before Zingana.
Yeah.
So since they are based there, they work there, and they launched the work of this hotel.
Mm-hmm.
They were being called in order to come and do the works here. So it was like they're just like partners, you know, that are always there for us if for anything.
I like the outfit.
Thank you.
I bet you still the concept.
Thank you.
I
And I also have a car.
From start to finish, my stay at Zingana Hotel was refreshing, luxurious, and truly worth it. From the beautiful design of the warm hospitality, every detail made the experience feel special. It's definitely a spot I'll return to, and if you're ever in Bafoussam looking for a high-end experience, Zingana is the place to be. While I was in Zingana, I did use some of the amenities like the gym. I didn't get to try the pool, but that's fine. I also had breakfast right after the gym, which I really enjoyed. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for your support. Please consider subscribing if you have not yet done so. Stay tuned for more videos from my wonderful trip to Cameroon. Bye bye.